So hey guys, we are gonna learn how to use checkboxes. So if your mod is something which relies on text, so basically it's turned on continuously or something, you'll need to use checkboxes instead of the items because then it's much better. So it is quite easy. So we'll get started. So you make a UI checkbox item and I'm gonna make a blackout. So blackout is turning on turning on and off all the lights in the game. So I need to make an event for that. Mod menu dot on checkbox change plus equals, and it made it. And I'll just put this in my event handler and I'll just name it events. So if our checkbox item is equal to blackout, then world dot set blackout, and it will be unable to checked. So basically what it will do is, if it is checked it will be on, if it is not it will be off. And one more thing I need to fix in the last thing was, we need to do it, the blip color was not coming, so I just interchanged their positions, so that should be good. And we'll give our vehicle a blip as well. So blip blip is equal to vehicle I'm sorry, vehicle dot add blip, and we'll make the blip sprite is equal to blip sprite dot vehicle personal vehicle car, because it's our obviously personal vehicle car. And I'll make its color something nice like purple or something. Color is equal to blip color dot purple. So that's that. Now let's see how our mod menu works with the checkbox. Oh, one thing we didn't do. Good lord, I remembered it. We'll need to add it here. So blackout is equal to new checkbox item. It should be false first, and I need a description as well. Okay, so the description part is later. So I'll make enable blackout. And description will be make all building lights go off. I'm sorry. Yeah. And we need to add that item here. Mod menu dot add item and blackout. So that's it. Now we'll see in the game. So hey guys, we are in game. I'll just reload the scripts because I have not done it. Okay, so we'll test it out now. So as you can see, there is a blackout option we got. I'll just change the time of the day because I want you guys to see if it works or not. So yeah, this should be good. And if I press J, we get a mod menu, make all, and you see it works, which is super awesome. So you can have a mod which includes blackouts and stuff as well. I accidentally taught you that as well. So yeah, that should be it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave some comments. Bye bye.